Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Still using the default Mac terminal? What if I told you there's a terminal that comes with AI modern design, smart autocomplete, command history and team collaboration all in one app? In this video I will show you how to download, install and use Warp terminal on your Mac. Let's get started. Let's know first what is Warp. Warp is a modern terminal application built specifically for developers and power users. Unlike the default macOS terminal, Warp offers AI powered command assistance, smart command autocomplete, block user command history, beautiful modern interface, multiple tabs and panes, team collaborations features. It works perfectly on Apple Silicon Macs, M1, M2, M3 and M4 as well as Intel Macs. Now let's download Warp. First open your browser and search for Warp terminal and then press enter. Now you can see the official website of Warp. Click on this website. Now you can see here on the left side download Warp button. Click on it. Now click on allow and that's it. Your download process is started. As you can see here, the Warp DMG file is downloading. Let the download be done first. As you can see, the download is done. Now let's install the Warp. First double click on the DMG file. Now you can see here the app. Now just drag the Warp to the application folder like this. That's it. As you can see, it is copying the Warp to the application folder. Done. Now just close this window. Now you can see here Warp on the applications. You can also open your Warp from the Spotlight search. Just type Warp. As you can see here, it is showing, and you can also open it from the Launchpad. You can see here. Now open the Warp. The first time you open it, macOS may ask for confirmation. For that you have to just click on open. Just click on open. Now you can see here the interface of Warp. Click on get started. Now click on next, next, next. When Warp launches for the first time, you will be asked to sign in. You can create a free account using Google, GitHub or email. Okay, I will continue this with my email. After signing in, Warp is ready to use. You can see here the AI access. If you want to purchase it, just select the subscription and click on next. And here you can see the amount of plans. You can see your build, recommended plan, max plan, it gives you more feature, and the business plan. It's always give you best features, and from here you can just purchase the plans. And if you do not want to purchase it, just click on set up later and click on next. You can here choose the theme, then click on get warping. Click on skip for now. As you can see the interface of Warp. Let's quickly explore the interface. At the bottom you can type your command. You can see here. Just like the terminal, you can type it here. Each command appears inside its own block, making it much easier to read previous commands. On the left you will find your command history. You can see here the sessions. From here you can search the commands also. Okay, as I have searched command, as you can see here, I have used it. So it is showing here. At the top, you can create new tabs and split panes for multitasking. You can see here plus. Everything feels much cleaner than the default terminal. Let's know its AI features. One of the Warp biggest features is its built-in AI. Suppose you forget a command, simply describe what you want in plain English here. Let's suppose find large files on my Mac and press enter. As you can see here, when I pressed enter, it is searching for the file. Warp AI suggests the correct command instantly. You can also ask it to explain commands, fix errors, generate shell scripts, convert natural language into terminal commands. This can save a huge amount of time, especially for beginners. Press Command plus P to open Warp's command palette, as you can see here. From here you can search commands, change settings, open features, navigate quickly. Okay, you can search here commands, everything you want. You will navigate quickly, open features and everything from here. As you can see here, the features. Think of it like spotlight search for your Warp terminal. Warp lets you personalize your workspace. You can change theme, fonts, cursor style, keyboard shortcuts, shell settings. Whether you prefer a dark theme or light one, Warp has plenty of customization option. Just click on this settings and go on settings. From here, just go on appearances, and from here just customize it whatever you want. Just customize it from here. Let's know who should use Warp. Warp is ideal for developers, web developers, Python programmers, DevOps engineers, system administrators, students learning the terminal, anyone who uses the command line regularly. If you only use terminal occasionally, the default macOS terminal is still perfectly fine. And let's know its paid features as well. Designed for professionals and teams, offering additional collaboration features, higher AI usage limits, and advanced productivity tools. For most Mac users and developers, the free version is more than enough to get started. Everything you will find on free. It is best for beginners as well. And that's how you install and use Warp terminal on your Mac. If you are looking for a faster, smarter and more modern alternative to the default terminal, Warp is definitely worth trying. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.